Well, I went to Action Impact. Well, I went to Action Impact.
Well, guys, it's Wednesday, and you know where I'm at. And middle of breakfast, so just thought I'd make a quick video. Uh, we got a little snow yesterday, a little dusting on the grass and you know rooftops and stuff like that. But the streets and the sidewalks are clear, no snow, there. So driving in was no problem. But yeah, last night I made it to the range, did a little shooting. I met my brother there. Excuse me. He got a new gun, so he wanted to use his gun. So he let me try it out, and worked out pretty good. I got to shoot my pistols a couple of times. His gun I don't like. I like a gun that has a stock, I can press against my chest and use to help with accuracy. His doesn't have that. It's more like a Uzi kind of gun or whatever. It doesn't have a stock. Whatever he wants it, to be concealable. In his line of work, he has to have a gun that can be concealed. You know, until needed to be used. But I mean, it's just a glorified pistol. I mean, might as well have a handgun if you can't, get that 3-point. Actually, with a rifle, you got a 4-point of contact to keep it stable and make your accuracy good. But in that gun, you only got 2 points. It's like a pistol. Actually, a pistol would be more accurate. But anyway, I got a few small video clips of our shooting there. They're not very long because we weren't able to get much because the people there don't allow videotaping or whatever. So they came over and told us we had to stop taping or whatever. So I couldn't get a full, video on it. But I'll let you see what I got.